Guys, what's going on? It's Adrian here, Injen Technology in Pomona, California. We're gonna go over one of these new intake systems we just released. It's the Evolution Intake Series line, and it's a roto-molded kit, brand new for us here at Injen Technology. And guess what? I'm gonna show you what you get inside this box. Let's go ahead and take a look. Cool, let's open this box up, see what you guys are getting. Let's go ahead and start off with this air box. Air filter, dry air filter, large one at that. Plenum. Intake tube, and of course, your hardware. Now, the main thing in this kit is the dry filter. Large dry filter, no oil required. Attaches to this plenum. That attaches obviously to this air box. Looks good. Large filter is what you GM guys wanted, and you got it. Intake tube. What this is, MR Technologies, stands for Mega Ram. We utilize this in our traditional kits, brought it into our Evolution line. Allows you to remove your mass airflow sensor, install it into this intake tube, and not have any issues. We got a nice machine fitting that bolts into this. Down. And of course our hardware, silicone reinforced hose here, Injen stainless steel band caps with the Injen logo of course on there. Some additional hardware. We got our cap here for our filter minder that's going to tell you when your filter's dirty. When this media builds up any debris or heavy grime, it'll actually pull a vacuum. And you got green, yellow, and red. Green obviously you're clean, yellow you're getting there, and red it's time to clean the filter. And I'll just show you guys. It's a very sensitive indicator. Now this kit here you're looking at is part number EVO7102. This is for the 09 to 14 Chevy GMC, or even an Escalade, 4.8, 5.3, and 6 liter. This is the kit, easy installation. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install this next. So there you guys have it. I'm done. If you need more information, go check us out at injen.com for up-to-dates on all of our product, and also social media, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. It's all there. We update, we're posting. please go over there and check it out. Till next time, I'm out of here. I gotta go. See you guys.